Friends, now we calculate calculation of interest on capital. Interest on capital is equal to capital of the partner into rate of interest into time period. In this capital interest on capital, rate of interest always be given in the question as per partnership deed. Don't be confused. If interest on capital rate is not given, now you consider 6%. 6% only applicable on interest on drawing and interest on partner's loan. Is that clear? So, two important notes you always keep in your mind. First one, interest on capital always charge on opening value of capital. What? Interest on capital always charge on opening value of capital. Another very important point, if rate of interest is not given in per annum, so we don't consider time period. Is it clear? In any case, if per annum word is not given in the question, so don't consider time period in interest on capital case or interest on drawing case or interest any type of interest rate. If per annum is not given, don't consider time period. Suppose if Mr. A introduced capital on 1st April 2018 for rupees 4 lakh and additional capital on 1st July rupees 2 lakh and on 1st December he withdrew capital rupees 1 lakh. Books are closed every year on 31st March. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 6% per annum. Compute interest on capital for the year ended on 31st March 2019. Now, come to the point how you will calculate interest on capital. So, put the value according to the data. So, 4 lakh, the opening amount is 4 lakh. 4 lakh into rate of interest is 6. So, 6 upon 100 into time period. How you will calculate time period? So, capital are introduced on 1st April, then it's change on 1st July. So, April, May, June, 3 months capital, that means 4 lakh rupees utilized for 3 months. So, 4 lakh into 6 upon 100 into 3 by 12 plus on 1st July 2 lakh additional capital was introduced by A. So now the capital are changed, that means 6 lakh. So 6 lakh into 6 upon 100, then further capital are changed on 1st December. So the July to December, how many months? That means 5 months, 5 upon 12 amount. Then on 1st December he withdraw the capital. That means the previous capital is 6 lakh minus 1 lakh. Now the new capital on 1st December is 5 lakh. So 5 lakh into 6 upon 100, and books are closed on 31st March. 1st December to 31st March, how many months? 4 upon 12. So solve these equation. Now in first equation comes 6,000, then 6 lakh into this 15,000, then 5 lakh into this, solve this value, come to the total interest on capital during the year is 31,000. Is that clear?